Imagine a farm where machines work day and night with almost no human drivers. Sounds like science fiction. It's already happening. From GPS-guided tractors that plant with centimeter-level accuracy to AI-powered robots that identify weeds, harvest crops, and monitor plant health, modern agriculture is entering a new era. These smart machines are helping farmers save time, reduce costs, use fewer chemicals, and grow more food sustainably. As technology continues to evolve, the future of farming is becoming more efficient, precise, and environmentally friendly. Let's explore how modern farm machinery is transforming agriculture, from powerful tractors to intelligent autonomous robots. Why does modern farm machinery matter? The world's population is growing, increasing the demand for food, while many regions face a shortage of agricultural labor. Farmers must produce more using fewer resources and adapt to climate challenges like droughts and unpredictable weather. Modern farm machinery, combined with precision farming technologies, helps optimize every operation, improving productivity, reducing waste, and making agriculture more efficient, profitable, and sustainable. Farm machinery has evolved dramatically over the centuries. It began with animal-powered tools, where oxen and horses supported traditional farming. The invention of tractors introduced mechanization, followed by combine harvesters that transformed harvesting efficiency. Today, GPS-enabled equipment delivers precision farming with greater accuracy and productivity. Now, we're entering the smart farming era, where AI, drones, robots, satellites, and IoT are reshaping agriculture. From tradition to technology, the evolution of farm machinery is powering the future of farming. Welcome to the smart farming era, where technology and agriculture work hand in hand. Agricultural drones monitor crops and perform precision spraying, while IoT soil sensors provide real-time data on moisture, temperature, and nutrients. Autonomous field robots handle tasks like weeding and crop scouting with remarkable accuracy. AI-powered dashboards analyze field data, helping farmers make faster and smarter decisions. Together, these innovations are creating connected farms that are more productive, efficient, and sustainable than ever before. Modern farm machinery is transforming agriculture through automation and precision. Smart tractors use GPS and auto steering for accurate field operations, while combine harvesters harvest, thresh, and clean crops in a single pass. Seed drills ensure uniform planting, and drone sprayers apply crop protection precisely where it's needed. Autonomous weeding robots reduce manual labor, while AI-powered harvest robots identify and pick ripe produce with exceptional accuracy. Precision fertilizer applicators optimize nutrient use, and laser land levelers improve irrigation efficiency and crop performance. Together, these advanced machines increase productivity, lower input costs, conserve resources, and make farming more sustainable for the future. Artificial intelligence and robotics are revolutionizing modern agriculture. Computer vision enables machines to identify crops, weeds, pests, and ripe fruits with remarkable accuracy. GPS guidance and autonomous navigation allow tractors and field robots to operate with centimeter-level precision, reducing overlaps and saving fuel. Machine learning continuously improves decision-making by analyzing field data and adapting to changing conditions. Real-time crop monitoring using drones, sensors, and satellites helps farmers detect stress early and optimize irrigation and fertilizer use. Leading innovations include John Deere's autonomous tractors, Carbon Robotics laser weeder, Neo Technologies field robots, and the Harvest Crew strawberry robot, showing how AI is making farming smarter, more efficient, and increasingly sustainable. Modern farm machinery offers benefits that go far beyond saving time. Smart equipment helps farmers achieve higher crop yields while reducing labor costs through automation. Precision technologies ensure that seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides are applied only where needed, improving input efficiency and reducing chemical use. These innovations also promote sustainable farming by conserving resources and protecting the environment. Faster field operations allow farmers to complete critical tasks on time, while real-time data and AI-powered insights support better, data-driven decisions. Together, these advancements are making agriculture more productive, profitable, and sustainable for the future. Despite its many advantages, modern farm machinery also comes with significant challenges. The high initial investment can be difficult for many farmers, especially smallholders. Regular maintenance and repairs add to the overall cost, while operating advanced machines requires trained and skilled personnel. In many rural areas, limited internet connectivity can restrict the use of GPS, AI, and cloud-based technologies. As a result, adoption remains slower among small-scale farmers. Addressing these challenges through affordable technology, better training, and improved rural infrastructure will be essential to unlock the full potential of smart agriculture. The future of farming is smarter, cleaner, and more autonomous than ever before. Swarm robots will work together to plant, weed, and harvest crops with incredible efficiency. Fully autonomous farms will use AI to manage daily operations with minimal human intervention. Digital twins, virtual replicas of farms, will help farmers simulate decisions before applying them in the field. Electric and hydrogen-powered machines will reduce emissions while lowering operating costs. Modern farm machinery isn't replacing farmers, it's empowering them. Together, we can build a smarter and more sustainable future for agriculture. Follow Agri-Tech Explained for more innovations transforming the future of farming.